what's up guys? My name is Darla and today I'm here at the Aces High Chopper Show in Reno, Nevada. And this is my second year coming. We've got some lovely showgirls here. We got a bunch of badass bikes and we're gonna have a good time and I'm here to show you around. So keep on watching. Told you I know a lot of people over here. All the booths here. All the cute stuff. Hello!
Doing fighting stuff.
Yeah.
You better get one because you're fucking flying. Oh god.
We are eating tacos. Woo! I know. Oh my god. For the people who like some food and ASMR. That's for you, America. And people who watch who are not in America. Would you guys like to say anything to the public?
Aces High is the sickest thing ever.
No comment from the rest. Free trims!
So like
It's recording now.
Okay. I'm just gonna
That'll
leave it
go away in
on.
a second.
Okay.
See it recording? Okay.
Perfect.
I want to put this. Okay.